share with you people my skincare products under 200 rupees. So I'm very excited to share this with you people because like many teenage girls try to like find like affordable skincare products for themselves. So I have like a bunch of products here. So yeah, let's get started. For the first product, I have the Everyuth Naturals Moisturizing Fruit Face Wash, and I think I have been using this like for past 3 months, and this retails only for rupees 130, and it's a nice face wash, I would say. But this face wash doesn't give you like much foamy texture. So this is the first face wash. I have another face wash which is from Himalaya, and it's a lemon foaming face wash. um, I have liked foaming face washes from a long time now, and I wanted to try one, so I got this one, and this retails for rupees 195, and it comes in 150 ml. So I think it's a foaming face wash, so this is like good for its price. So yeah, this was my second face wash. I have only 2 face washes, and the third product is, it's a toner, and it's from NutriGlow Skin Balancing Green Apple Toner with green apple extract and vitamin A, C and E, and it's for all skin types. It's a age-defying process and skin tone correction system, and it comes in 120 ml, and it retails for rupees 150. And actually this one is a good toner, but if you have this says that it's for all skin types, but I would recommend the sensitive skin types of people not to buy this one, because this kind of little burns in your skin, if that makes any sense. So this is the only one toner I have. And the other product is it's a Dabur Gulabari's Premium Rose Water. I use this I have used this from like past 1 year, I guess, and it's a nice rose water. Like this one, it smells good. It's not opening here, but this one smells good, and it doesn't give you like any burning sensation like the toner gives you, and it's for 250 ml. It's 250 ml, and it retails for like 75 rupees, like worth the money, I must say. So this is one. The other product I have is the Himalayas Nourishing Face Moisturizing Lotion. If you people have watched my previous video, you must know that I am obsessed with this moisturizing face lotion, and it's worth the money, because it comes in 100 ml and it retails for rupees 80 only. So yeah, this is the face moisturizing lotion. The other product is, it's a charcoal mask cream, and I have been using this like for I guess 1 month, and it's a nice nice charcoal mask anyone can use. But I must say that if you apply it like here in your eye area, near your eye area, it like gives you like a burning sensation to your eyes. And if you have oily skin, you must use this charcoal mask. But the other thing is that it doesn't remove your blackheads and whiteheads fully. It just it only does when you apply it. After removing it, the blackheads like come only half out, not fully. So I don't think this one like is of any use, but I only use it because it helps me in removing the oil from my skin. So, and it's 130 gram, and I bought this for like 80 rupees. Can you imagine? So I think it's so far it's nice because it helps me to remove the oil from my skin. Like it protects my skin from becoming too oily. So yeah. The other product is, it's a mineral clay mask from Ponds, and I haven't like used it, but I have this product in my skincare, and it's a 8-gram product, and it retails for rupees 30, and it's written here that it has 2 uses, but I don't think it will come for like me for 2 uses. I think I can use this for like 2 to 4 uses. So this one, actually I have been like liking clay masks from a long time, so I think this is worth the money. So yeah. And the other product is the Garnier's Eye Roll-On. It comes in a packaging like this, and it looks like this. It's a 15 ml product which retails for rupees 189. Like if I tell you like honestly, I think this I thought like before that this product was worth the money, because the first like after like using it for 1 month, my dark circles were like getting a bit lighter, but I have been like using this for like past 3 to 4 months now, but I don't see like any kind of like lightening my under eye, because it doesn't lighten my under eyes now. Just it like it used to lighten, but now it's not useful, I think so. But like it reduces the puffiness from your eyes, but it doesn't like make your eye dark circles vanish. So it's like a okay product, I must say. The next product is a face pack from Biotique, and it's a milk protein whitening and rejuvenating face pack, and it's for all skin types. I just love face packs, and I use face packs for my night skincare routine mostly, and like I don't know how much ml. Yeah, it's written here. It's a 50-gram product, and it's for only 199 rupees. So far, it's a good product, like worth for money, because I have heard that Biotique products are very useful. Like they help you to like moisturize your skin and to get your skin better. So yeah. The next product is also from Biotique, and it's a Biotique Bio Fruit Whitening Deep Pigmentation and Tan Removal Face Pack, and this is also for all skin types, and it's a 75-gram product, and it retails for only 199 rupees. So this one is also worth for money. As you all know, I love face packs to like use it for my night skincare routine. So the other product is also from Biotique, and it's Biotique Bio Almond Soothing and Nourishing Eye Cream. My next product is from Himalaya, and it's a Himalaya Natural Glow Kesar Face Cream, and it's a 25-gram product, and it retails for only 48 rupees. Um, I have done a Himalaya unboxing of Himalaya products haul. I just don't remember right now, but I had bought this cream, like two of them. One is almost finished, and this is the second tube I have opened. So after using the one tube, I think you people should definitely buy this one. I use this in my night skincare routine, and this definitely help my skin to get a bit lighter, and it gives you a kind of a glow on your skin. Like this cream helps in moisturizing your skin, and I would definitely recommend this cream because it helped me. So it will help you as well if you are my skin type. So yeah. The other product is, it's a Himalayas lip balm with wheat gum oil and carrot seed oil. So I have more two of these lip balms, and I just love the smell of this lip balm. It smells very nice, and it's a 10-gram product, and it retails for 35 rupees, so it's worth the money, I would say. My next product is it's a body lotion, and it's from Himalaya. It's a Himalaya Clear Complexion Brightening Body Lotion here, and I have bought two tube of this thing, and one is over, and this is the second one I'm using. So far I can say that this helps to lighten your skin, but it just doesn't smell good. It just doesn't. And it's a 200 ml product which retails for rupees 180. Okay. And the last product is also from Himalaya, and it's the Cocoa Butter Intensive Body Lotion. I haven't used this, but the smell is so good. It really smells like cocoa, and it just glides on your skin smoothly. It's a nice product, and it's a 200 ml product, and it retails for 150 rupees. But compared to this one, I think this one is a good product because this one doesn't smell good. This one smells good, and this one might help you to lighten your skin a bit, but I think this one will help you to moisturize your skin, which is better than lightening your skin, because your skin needs moisturizing more than lightening. So, and it both of them are 200 ml products, but this one is for 180 rupees, and this one is for 150 rupees. So I think if you people want to buy any body lotion from Himalaya, you should definitely buy the Cocoa Butter Intensive one, because it's a bit cheaper than this one, and it's so much better than this one too, because of their smell also, and the things which helps to make your skin good. Like this one only lightens your skin, but this one like moisturizes and repairs your skin. So yeah, that's all for my video today, guys. And these were all the products I have for my skincare. And I will buy like more skincare products, because apart from makeup I am more obsessed with skincare. I don't like makeup that much, but I do love skincare, doing skincare things. So, and the lipstick which I have now is from number 7. It's a number 7 brand's lipstick, and it's in the shade Deep Plum. If in case if you wanted to know the lipstick which I'm wearing. And I really appreciate the time which you gave to watch my video. And if you like want any other type of content, please like comment me down in the comment section. And like I have been like meaning to do a haul video. If you want any haul videos, please comment me down. And like if you people want me to do a haul video, I will give you like 2 options. That is, one is Nykaa and the other is Purple app. So if you people want me to do a Nykaa haul, I will do the Nykaa haul. And if you people want me to do a Purple haul, I will do a Purple one. But if you people want some any other type of content, you all can comment me down, and I will definitely try to do that. And yeah, that's all. Thank you guys, and bye everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is